coders. Today we're going to dive deeper into the code for the LeetCode problem 648, replace words. In English we have a concept called root, which can follow it by some other words to form another long word. Let's call this word derivative. For example, when the root help is followed by the word full, we can form a derivative, a helpful. Given a directory consisting of many roots and a sentence consisting of words separated by space, replace all the derivatives in the sentence with a root forming it. If a derivative can be replaced by more than one root, replace it with the root that has the shortest length. Return the sentence after replacement. Here we have examples of input and output. Okay, let's go into code. So for beginning, we will create the dictionary array to a set. This is because looking up an element in a set is faster than looking up an element in array. So make new variable. Let's set dictionary equal new set dictionary. After it, we split the sentence into individual words using the split method. So let new value words will be equal sentence using split method to split sentence into many words. After it, we iterate over each word in the sentence. For each word, we italize the shortest root at the word itself. So we start loop using let I equal 0. I will be less than words length. I to infinity increasing. Make new variable word, which will be equal to words brackets I. Which will let shortest root equal word. After it, we will use new loop to check each substring of the word starting from the first character. If the substring exists in the dictionary and is shorter than the current shortest root, we update the shortest root. So for let j equal 1, j will be less equal word length, j increasing by 1 each time, loops run, let root equal word slice 0j, try my if statement, set dictionary using has method, find if it has root, then and root len should be less than shortest root length. After it, we update shortest root to root. Then we need to replace word with a sentence with its shortest root using words equal shortest root. Lastly, we will need to return back sentence together by using join method. Join, and we can return new sentence. Так, let's check. So dictionary send a split previous use equals length. Has look good. Try to run this code or any typos. It's passed. Okay, submit. And we successfully submitted our solution. It's not best, but it has good memory results. Goodbye, everyone.